Hi guys. Bhakti, what are you doing in school, Bhakti?
We just started quadratics.
I see. How about you, Rishik? Rishik, how about you?
Doing like quadratics. We're doing more quadratics.
What in particularly, what in quadratics?
Changing it to vertex form and back.
Is that easy? Last week we discussed that in class, right?
Yeah,
Oh, that's nice. Was it easy at school?
a lot.
Oh, wow. Okay, Nabiha, how about you, ma?
We're doing factoring right now.
Okay. Guys, anytime, right? If you're discussing something other than what somebody is saying, right? Definitely voice out. Okay. Then only I will know, right? Anya, how about you? I try my max to cover people in the same school. I don't ask. Anya, how about you?
We're doing like binomials, trinomials, polynomials, and stuff.
Oh, is it easy, Anya? Are you able to remember what we did? And are you able to
Yeah,
catch?
it's really easy.
Okay, good to know. Okay. And is there a algebra exam for you at the end of the year
Yeah, we have finals at the end of the year.
by the state? By the state or your school ISD?
I'm not sure. Like it's a yeah, like we all have to take it.
I think
Uh,
it's with the district.
I
I
get
don't
it.
think it's
by
state,
yeah, I think it's by the district.
but we also have state tests, I think.
You, oh yeah, okay. Adira, which state are you in, Adira? We are doing quadratic equations. Okay, Pranav. That's good to know. So last week,
Ohio.
go ahead, guys.
I don't know what we're doing in school. I haven't been at school for a week. I've been like really sick.
Oh my gosh, I hope you feel better soon.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
One second. Let me quickly revise the quadratic to vertex form and then we'll move. Okay. Any questions on the homework which we can solve again together?
Arrived.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, guys. Any questions on the homework which we can do together?
The homework I couldn't find out like what to do because basically like I did end up finally finding out what to do because basically the question 1 was half of A and half of like I, and then question 2 was like half of C and half of G.
Lemma, 1 minute, 1 minute. There's a disconnect. I don't know what is the disconnect, but I can help you with it. In the Google Classroom, you're saying?
Yeah, no, like in the homework, like the questions, like it's one question, but there are two parts, right? And like we have to change it. But like basically one of the parts is in like A and the other part is in like I. And then like for another question, one of the parts were like in C and the other was in G.
Okay, let's go ahead. What were your questions? I am not doing what you're asking me. Here. There are two versions, right? Version 1 was the easier version. Version 2 was the harder version, correct?
Yeah, but like in version 1, can you go up? Like the bottom half of A, but in like the top A, and like the top half of I is what like the question was asking. So I didn't really get that till like I had to keep looking back at the answer key to understand what questions they were.
Oh, you did not know how to match them, you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. Rishit, did you finish the homework?
But I did end up finishing the
Started.
Did you finish the homework, Rishit?
I started it.
You started it. Okay. Okay. Anya, at the end, I'll go ahead with you, ma. Yeah.
No, but I did end up finishing it, so like I understood at the end.
Oh, that's good. Okay. Then what else? See, there was a key as well. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I checked mine too.
That's nice. Nabiha, were you able to check and do that?
At first it was a little confusing and I had a lot of schoolwork this week, so I wasn't able to finish it, but I'll probably finish it this weekend.
Okay, but it's good to finish. Now, Vibha, did you have any questions for me there?
No. At the beginning, it was a little confusing to understand, but I got it.
Okay, I will put in more comments or more details hereafter. Okay, that makes sense to me too. Okay, let's go ahead and try this one. I'll give you one vertex form, convert to standard form. Okay. This is one vertex. This is vertex form, right? I just need these answers. Okay. What is the vertex? Okay. Then I would like to know the standard form of this equation. And then I would like to know the axis of symmetry. All the three, you're going to send it to me. And there are only two questions that we will revise. I would like to see the graph as well. If we are able to, if I'm able to get it from everybody, is that everybody understood? We'll do some word problems and then intercept form we can discuss provided you are all good with this. Word problems and intercept form.
Miss Priya, for the vertex, like the minus sign and like x minus 3 does not count, right? Because the original problem has the subtraction sign.
Correct. So the
Okay.
standard form of a quadratic function has this form. So there is already a minus. So h
Okay.
becomes 3. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Bhakti, looks like you are catching up, right?
Yeah, I have two tests that I still have to finish, but
Oh, I see. Mom is back, huh?
yeah.
Okay. Vinisha, what are you discussing in school, ma?
We're just doing factoring quadratics, but I think after a few weeks we're gonna go to radicals.
Oh,
Mrs. Priya,
yeah, ma.
for the graph, do we show you the graph or do we tell you if it's opening
Yeah, yeah.
upwards or downwards?
Um, opening, if you want to say, you have to say opening up, down, what are the transformations? If you want to
Okay.
show the graph, that's easier. I can see. Whatever you want to, I'm fine.
I have a question. Can there be multiple points for axis of symmetry?
See, ma, see, Adira, vertex is just one point, right? That one line, that is the axis
Yeah.
of. You see? Correct, ma. Pranav got it. Navya got it. Yeah. See, yeah, if you are able to answer this, then you understood everything. Rishit got it. Starting at 0,6. What is that starting at 0,6? What is it starting at 0,6, Rishit?
Like it starts at 0, 6 and it opens upwards.
That's not the starting point, right?
Oh wait, my bad.
Yeah, because see, what I meant to say was it'll go up, right, Rishit? You see what I mean? That's not the starting point, right, Rishit? Did you see what I mean?
Yeah, like what I meant by that is like the y-intercept, but I know for a fact the intercept's
Oh,
wrong.
y-intercept. Okay, makes sense. Harshita, correct, ma. Okay, Adira, correct. But here there was Anya. How did you get that, ma? Can you do it for me? Show me.
Never mind. Now I got what I did wrong. Right.
Yeah, I really want the correct format, ma, for the standard form. You don't make me bug you by names. Go ahead, and there are some answers I'm expecting which I didn't yet get. Adira, do you have the answer? You can show it to me on the video, ma. Vibha, I didn't get your answer.
I haven't drawn the graph yet. I'm doing it.
Okay.
Sorry.
Mahir, no problem. Yojit. I just want to move to intercept form. I'll show you possible factorization quickly today after we do a couple of word problems.
Is that better?
Yes. What was the mistake, Anya? I mean, honestly, it was tough on me to understand what was the mistake. What was it all about? Vibha, that's correct. Okay, Pranav, do you have the graph with you?
No.
Okay. Do,
Um,
do you know how
I
to
can
graph
go.
it?
Yeah, I can go.
Okay. If you guys know how to graph, I don't mind, but I would like to see you graph. One more question I want to give on the other format. Mahir, where is yours, ma? Can I see yours, Mahir?
I'm not done drawing it yet.
Okay. For those of you who have completed, you don't have to waste time. Convert this to vertex form. That is question number 2. I would like to see the graph as well. If you are very sure, you don't need to do.
Miss
If you're
Priya,
not, yeah, ma.
can you graph the first one? I didn't get it.
Absolutely. See, that's what I want to know. Yeah. Mahir, that seems incorrect, Mahir. I'm going to do it for you.
Would it look like this?
1 minute, ma. Who is wanting? 1 minute. I'm checking. Wait. Would it look like what? Who's showing me?
Asira.
Adira is showing me. I'm not seeing Adira. Yes. Correct. Perfectly right. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay. So if you're in doubt, definitely draw. Okay. And wherever you're stuck, let's do it together. Okay. This is f of x, right? Now x minus 3, the whole square is what? So how do you expand it? A minus b, the whole square. Remember our formula? X square, a square plus b square minus is there. Minus 2 times a times b. 6x. Bhakti, are you with me?
Yeah.
So that is f of x, right? Minus 3 is as well there. I forgot. Now you can combine this x square minus 6x plus x square minus 6x. Yep. 1 second, guys. I'm missing some of. 1 second, guys. Yojit, that seems incorrect, right? Yojit.
Yeah, I forgot the 2 times a plus b.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's important. Okay. That will be f of x. This is the standard form. Okay. Now vertex is from here itself I can write 3 as is and k you'll have to take the sign. So h comma k is the vertex. That will be equal to 3 comma minus 3. axis of symmetry is always x equal to h, which is x equal to 3. Okay, vertex is this. Coming to the graph, right, guys? You know how I graph? Easiest way to graph is at some point with practice, I clearly know. I'll tell you with practice how I graph. For you guys, how will you graph? I'll tell you. So this is the original parent graph. As soon as I see this, I'll know, hey, it was shifted right by 3. If it was shifted right by 3, it will go here. The vertex will go here. If it was shifted right by 3, the vertex will go here. However, it was also pushed down by 3. Okay, so the vertex has to come here. You see, the vertex has to come here. So the final graph would be something like this. You got it? So this I know from practice. You guys don't have to graph it like this. The expectation for you is not to do it at all. I understand it takes time. What you guys can do is put xy values. Okay. Put x equal to minus 2, 0, 2. I will have at least 3 values. Plug in minus 2 here. That will become minus 5 the whole square, which is 25 minus 3, which is 22. Put 0 instead of x. It will be 9 minus 3, 6. Put 2 instead of x. If I put 2 instead of x, it will be 1 minus 3 minus 2. So that goes to minus 2 is at a 22, somewhere here, 0 at a 6, right? And then 2 is a minus 2. Only one part of the graph I am getting. So you need to extend and see. Let me go to a, we know that, we know that the vertex is 3 comma minus 3. So that is a point on the graph. 3 comma minus 3 is a point on the graph. Remember that. And then I'll get up maybe 4. If I substitute a 4, it is again minus 2. So that gives me good points. See guys, you can even extend this. Make sense? Bhakti, did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, now I gave you the question 6x plus 8 equal to x square. I asked you to convert it to vertex form. Can we please do to vertex form? That is a difficult
This
question.
period was negative x squared.
Sorry, ma. Yes, thank you. Can we try this one? If you don't get it, I'm here. Vinisha, did I clarify your question?
Oh, my question was for the second one, not the first one.
Okay. Pranav, your answer seems right. Rishit, you're missing something. I feel like going ahead and before that, the equation has to be right, right? Pranav, are you asking me?
Yeah.
If you graph it, I would be happy to see. I would be happy to know how many of you understood.
Okay.
Rishit, I want you to get the equation first correctly and then go graph it. First, send the equation. So basically, the equation is 6x plus 8 equal to minus x square. Or I can write it out as x square plus 6x plus 8. Right? Equal to 0. Can I go ahead and show you more?
Yeah.
Harshita or Pranav, something is missing, guys. I'm still not sure who is correct. Okay, let's see. I don't have the solution with me. So let me go ahead and solve. X square plus 6x plus 8. Now, as I said, right, this you have to make it into a square term. How do you make it into a square term? Easiest way is this x coordinate you divide it by 2. When you divide it by 2, what happens? You get a 3, correct? So add, if you get a 3, right, square it and add and subtract the same thing. Meaning this you're going to divide it by 2. B by 2A. A is 1 here. So B by 2A. You don't need to know this, but yeah, it's good. It's good if you know. Meaning you always do a B by 2A. What is B by 2A? This is BX. AX square plus BX plus C is the standard form, right? So you do B by 2A. If you do B by 2A, what is that? 6 by 2 is a 3. That you square it and then add and subtract. It's like adding a 0. However, when you regroup, this becomes a square term. What is that square term? X plus 3 the whole square minus 1 equal to 0. Plus 9 minus 9, correct? Then 8, okay. So I get that. Yeah, that seems correct, guys. Pranav, is your answer right? Adira, see, you.
I think I might be wrong. I think my A is wrong. But everything
Yeah,
else is right.
A seems incorrect. I don't know why you got that A incorrect. I'm not sure. There is
Miss
nothing.
Priya, wouldn't it be plus 1? Because that's what I got. X plus 3 squared is 1.
It is a. It's a minus 1, right?
Because I added 9 to both sides. Then 9 minus 8 is 1. Oh, never mind, never mind. I see what I did.
You see what? Okay, guys, I'm here to listen. Okay, each of you. Adira's answer, I'm a little taken aback. Hold on.
I did 9 plus 8. Wait, can I just look over?
No, Adira's answer. No. I feel like your answer is correct. I'm also working out. Hold on. I'm checking. Because
Yeah, I think I
I
did the
feel,
steps right.
yeah, I feel like your answer seems correct to me. Hmm. Then the vertex changes, right, Ma?
Wait,
I know what you did. No. What you did is wrong. I know what you did. Okay, I got it. Because I felt like initially I felt like it was right, and why my answer is differing, I was checking. See here. Well, I see your mistake. X square plus 6x, you did minus 9 plus 9 plus 8, right, Adira? You combined this and made a 17, but then you cannot combine this to make a square. Square terms are like a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus, the minus has to be in here. This has to be a plus. So you have to get this out. The minus 9 has to go out. The plus 9 has to be regrouped. You got it?
Yeah, okay.
Be careful. That's all. Okay. First I thought, oh my gosh, your answer seems correct and is different from mine, I thought. Okay. Anybody else? Any questions? Pranav, did you understand where was the mistake?
I don't know how to fix it though. I know my A is wrong, but
Okay. Can you tell me? Meaning I'll help you. Shall I help you?
okay.
Navya, did you get it or you didn't get it, ma?
I got it.
Okay. Many of you have not answered for this form. I am a little worried. Pranav, how can I help you, Pranav?
I don't know the A of the equation.
You don't need the A, right? Where are you getting the A? How did you start with the A? Can you tell me? A times X.
Then I got the okay.
No,
I
tell
understand.
me. I'll help you.
I understand.
You understood, Okay. Bhakti, how about you?
Will these equations be on the star test like sheet?
Yes, this
Okay.
can be. This is very important. You know what is it called? Completing squares. Okay, this carries forward to your algebra too. That is why I've taken the time last week to clearly explain how to make those squares. Meaning, one format can be a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus 2ab plus b square. Both can be made into squares, right? And how to understand what needs to be added and subtracted, this whatever, I'm sorry guys, whatever whatever is b, you'll have to divide by 2 and square it. Let's do one more problem. Let's see. 1 minute, Amma. Sorry, guys. How about this? I'll give you one more question. I really would like to know you to convert it and tell me the answer. How about this? X square minus 4 equal to minus 3. Try, guys. Minus 3 x I think. Oh, that seems so wrong. Uh, yeah, that's all. That's the equation. Let me see how you guys do. This is the equation. You have to bring it to this form. It's a little different. It's not even 3x. Okay, try. You have to bring it to this form. You have to make squares here. See, it is basically x square plus 0x minus 4 equal to minus 3. Try. Axis of symmetry, correct. Axis of Vinisha, axis of symmetry should be written as an equation of a line, ma.
Oh,
So it
okay.
has to be. Remember, you see what is the difference? Oh wow, Vinisha, that seems correct. Correct. The vertex is correct. Um. Yojit, I'm not getting your answer. Pranav, that's correct. Perfectly fine. Okay, I really want to move on. Make squares, guys. See, you're going to combine these. Nabiha, are you getting it? I'm not getting the feeling that some of you are getting it because you're not asking and you're not answering. That seems concerning.
Could you solve
I
this
answered
one?
correct.
Yes, Rishit, that's correct. That is equal to f of x. Yeah. See, if you want to make it into a square term, I told you, right? This divide by 2 is 0 again. So it's like adding and subtracting 0. So what happens? How will you make it into a square term? X square plus 0x plus 0 minus 0. Nothing is going to happen here, right? Now, how to make this into a square term? It's already a square. That's all. 0x 0. It's already a square. That's all. And then what do you have? Minus 4 equal to minus 3. Add 3 on both sides. So x square minus 1 equal to 0, right? Now, this one, when you think about it, you can write this out as x minus 0, the whole square minus 1 equal to 0. So h comma k is 0 comma, 0 comma minus 1. Got it, guys? Was a tricky one, lightly tricky one.
Miss Priya, could you explain how you got the last step?
Here, see, this format, compare with this format, this one. That is the vertex form of a quadratic equation. So minus h means what? 0. 0 is h. K is minus 1.
No, I got that how to get the vertex, but from x squared minus 1 equals 0 to x to
Okay,
that
I got
step.
it. I got it. Okay, so here x square means what? I can just write it out as x minus 0 the whole square, right? I want to bring a square term with the h. X square can be written as x minus 0 or x plus 0 the whole square, right?
Oh, okay, yeah, I get it now.
Yeah, just for you to understand, I wrote it like that. So you will understand that h is 0.
Okay, yeah, I got it.
I feel like we'll do one more problem, guys. I'm a little not iffy about this conversion. How about this? But this is the last one we'll do. Okay, I have to move on to right. How about this? Can you convert it to vertex form? Wait, guys. I don't want you to convert this one. I want you to a bigger problem. Hold on. How about the 7x plus 10 equal to minus x squared? Guys, you have to send, otherwise send it to me. Auntie, I'm stuck. I'm here. I will work
Wait,
it out.
will my answer be correct if it's in fractions?
Uh, is it in fractions? Really? Let me see, ma.
I got mine in decimals.
Interesting. Let me solve. If you don't mind, I'll solve. If you don't mind, I'm going to solve. Fractions are okay still. I'm going to do it, guys. So x square plus 7x plus 7 by 2 the whole square plus 10 equal to 0. Rishit, looks like, don't put it in decimals and all, ma. Fractions are okay. You see, this becomes a square term, right? What is the square term? X plus 7 by 2 the whole square. Yep, minus 49 by 4 plus 10. This you need to know to do in fractions because you'll get a lot of fractions like this. Minus 9 by 4 equal to 0. X plus 7 by 2 the whole square. Make sense, guys? Now, h comma k, vertex is what? Minus 7 by 2, comma 9 by 4. Any questions? This is common.
Miss Priya, I just have one question. Why did you square the 7/2?
Squaring means, ma, I have to put it in the format a square plus 2ab plus b square. You get it, ma? I have to put it in the format.
Oh, okay, I get it.
For me to put it in the format, I take the coefficient of x, which one? 7, and then divide by 2. But 7 is not divisible by 2, right? 7 divided by 2, I should square it. But it is a fraction. I'll have to accept and move on. You get it? If it's not a square, then it's easy for me to add and subtract the square. You should always add and subtract the square. Then only this part will become a square term. Do you see? This is a square term. You see?
Yeah, I get it now.
Can I move on? Bhakti, are you following?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, guys. Now, more than anything, I really want to do 1 or 2 word problems are important in these. I don't know whether the school, you're doing it at school, but I wanted to do because when you come to algebra 2, it is so hard without knowing anything. Now, let's see. A squirrel in a tree is holding a chestnut at, okay. Squirrel is sitting atop a tree. Okay. Squirrel, I don't know the spelling, that's hard. Squirrel is sitting on top of a tree. Yojit, I didn't get the answer for this week. I will give you more of converting to vertex form. I'm sincerely not convinced, but if you have any questions, you can always ask. Squirrel is sitting on top of a tree at a height of 46 feet. At a height of 46 feet. Okay. It drops an acorn. It drops an acorn. Okay. That falls on a bush. That falls on a bush. That is 36 feet below the tree. I will draw these, okay? These are difficult, okay? H of t represents the height of the, H of t represents height of the acorn. Height of acorn as it falls. With respect to time, okay? When will the chestnut, meaning when will the chestnut, the acorn arrive at the bush? At the bush. Can you do this for me? Can you do this for me? Meaning, this is my tree. Guys, please draw. This is my tree. The squirrel is sitting here. This is my squirrel. Okay. This is at a height of 46 feet. Okay. It is dropping an acorn which is following a parabola. There is a bush here. Okay. This bush is at a height of 36 meters from the top of the tree. See, this is 36. You see? Now, that means what? It is at a height of 10 from here, right? So how are we going to find this? They have given that the height of the acorn can be found using this. They're asking, when will this acorn reach the top of the bush? What is this point? See, when you're seeing a parabolic graph, this is a point on the graph. This is also a point on the graph. When you think about points on the parabolic graph, right? This one is what? The squirrel is sitting. So basically
That's a
draw a,
vertex.
which is the, good job. You can consider it as a vertex. It is a downward facing parabola. So that point is 0, 46. Makes sense? What is this point, guys, when it lands on the top of the bush? What is that point? Who can tell me? Try, guys. What is that point? You don't know. You don't know the x value. Don't worry about it. But you know the y value.
Miss Priya.
Yeah.
What does 0 on 0 comma 46? What does the 0 represent?
Oh, 0 is x comma y. X
Yeah,
is the
but like what does it represent? Because like 46 is the height. So what
good.
is 0?
Good. When the okay, x in this graph, right? I put it into a coordinate plane. Did you see that? When you see the plane, your x-axis represented time, y-axis represented the height.
Okay.
Y value or function of x. What is x in here? The time, right? So when the squirrel did nothing but sitting, before it dropped the acorn, it was sitting on the tree, right? At that point, its coordinate point was 0, 46. Make sense? Nabiha, is it making sense or confusing?
I'm a little confused.
Yeah. Where are you confused? I can see it on your face. Tell me.
Okay, so I get the 0, 46
46.
part.
Okay. So this is a parabolic curve that is falling down. Now tell me what is this point on the bush? The bush, see, they are saying 36 feet from the top of the tree, the bush is. So what is this y point? We don't know the x point. X point is what we need to.
36.
What ma?
Negative 36.
Yoj,
X10.
correct. X10 is correct. Because Yojit, I understood where was the misunderstanding. This is 0, 0, Yojit. If this is 0, 46, this is, you see what I
Okay.
mean? This
Yeah.
is 0, 0. So anything above is positive. So I can call this point as x, 10. Make sense?
Yeah.
Bhakti, now, guys, you have to let me know. Srinita, are you understanding, ma?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, now it's easy. So basically what they're asking, when will the acorn, when means the time at which the acorn, you have to find the x value when the y value is 10. That's easy. Y value is 10. So this is your y value, right? Put 10 there, minus 16 t square plus 46. Minus 16 t square equal to 56, right? No. 36, right? Yeah, 36. So now t square will be equal to 36 by 16, 18 by 9, 2. So basically, what is that? 2, no, something feels wrong to me. 2 8s are 16. Oh, 8. Okay. So after that, you can still do 9 by 4. So basically, 2.5 seconds. 2.5 seconds is what I am getting. Am I making sense? 2.5 seconds or 1.5 seconds? I want to check.
Wait, but Miss Priya, don't you have to square root it because t is squared?
Makes sense. Good job. Good catch. Yeah, good catch. So I'm seeing the answer is 1.5. So basically you need to square root it, right? Okay, let me put down here. T square will be equal to 18 by 8, which is 2.5. T will be equal to square root of 2.5. Good job, ma'am. What is square root of 2.5? One of you, can you tell me, please? See, whenever you square root it, right, your answer will be plus or minus. The minus is invalid. Time cannot be negative. So t will be equal to plus square root of 2.5, which is actually 1.5. Check what is the answer.
Yeah, it's 1.5 rounded.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's 1.58, so it'd be 1.6.
6. Okay. Can I move on? So use this equation. This is your x value. This is your y value. Always when you draw these quadratic application problems, then it becomes so easy. The book has solved it in a very different way. It will take a long time for them to solve this way.
Miss Priya, can we do another problem like this?
Yeah, I'm going to. Quadratic problems are hard, but see guys, understand it'll be so easy in algebra too. Okay, but anyway, you have it in your book as well. So let's say egg is falling from a nest of a tree. Egg is, please draw by yourself, falling from the nest of a tree. Okay. 25 feet off ground. That means what? Ground is 0. 25 feet off ground. Okay. It lands on a bush. That is similar problem. That is 20 feet below the nest. Okay. The height of the egg at any point in time is given by this equation. Okay. When will the egg land on the bush? Is it easy? Do you think, Navya, do you think it's easy?
I think so.
Okay. Let me draw a tree. Egg is falling from the nest of a tree. This is a nest. Okay. So the nest is at what distance? 25 feet off the ground. Now from the nest it is falling down. Okay. But it's not falling to the ground. This is your ground. This is 0, 0. You see? This nest is at 0, 25. See mathematically. Okay. Now this is your time scale. This is your height scale, y-axis. Now, when the egg is falling, there is a bush in here. Okay. That bush is 20 feet below the nest. So this is 20 feet. So what is the coordinate point on top of the bush? Who can say, ma? Anybody?
X, comma,
X, comma, 5.
5.
Yeah, exactly. So you know this coordinate point. So basically x is what? We need not say it as x, okay? Let's not confuse you. Let's call it as t. T comma, basically t comma height, h of t, right? So this is your y coordinate. The t is your x coordinate. So now you have the y coordinate with you. Why don't I substitute? Y coordinate is what? What should I substitute in the height?
5.
5. So when I substitute 5 will be equal to minus 16 t square plus 25, it becomes so easy. Minus 16 t square will be equal to minus 20. T square will be equal to 20 by 16, which is 4, 5. Then t will be equal to square root of 5 by 4, which is square root of, square root of 5 divided by 2. What is the answer for that one? Can one of you do it in the calculator? What is the answer? I have the answer in seconds. Can one of you tell me?
Miss Priya, I think it's 1.12.
Correct. 1.12 is perfectly correct. Where is that you're not understanding? Where are you not understanding? Anybody who is stuck, please ask. Okay, we will solve one or two more word problems.
Priya,
Yeah.
how did you determine how far the bush was from the, I mean, like what the height was of the bush?
The height of the bush, they are saying, right? Seema,
Oh.
20. The tree is 25 feet off the ground. The bush is 20 feet below the nest. This is what we know. So I detected that this is 5. How?
Okay, yeah.
From the 25 I subtract
Subtract.
20.
I didn't see that.
No problem at all. Please see this quadratic word problems even challenges algebra to kids. So better understand it now. Meaning if you can draw this coordinate plane in a real scenario, then everything becomes easy. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do one or two more of this. Modeling is very important, guys. How about this? Okay.
Miss
Okay,
Priya.
yeah.
Can I use the bathroom real quick?
Yeah, please go, ma'am. Okay, now let's consider a dolphin jumping out of the water. So, dolphin jumping out of the water is what type of path it is? A linear graph required. Srinita, are you here? Dolphin jumping out of the water is what graph? See, there is water.
Quadratic.
Yep. Dolphin jumping out is like this, right? So that's what now they are saying the height of the dolphin is given by this equation. It tells that this is the height of the water in feet. Okay. T in seconds. Now, the question is, how long is the dolphin out of the water? How long is the dolphin out of the water? It's such a simple question. They have not even given anything. So how to find it? How long? See, this much long the dolphin was out of the water. What is this? In mathematics, when you draw into a coordinate plane, this is your x coordinate, this is your y coordinate. What are they asking? What are they asking? Think about it, please, guys. I really want you to think, and you have to be different. How? Tell me, what are they asking?
The time.
The time it
Correct.
takes to get back
Very
in the
nice.
water once it gets out.
Very, very nice. They're asking the time. There are 2 times there. But what is that? Meaning this is time 1, this is time 2. What are they in this parabolic
You have to
curve?
subtract the 2
zeros.
times.
Oh, wow. Zeros. Who said that?
Vinisha.
They are the zeros of the graph.
Oh yeah.
They are the zeros of the graph. We'll all get it there. See, one of you getting it, then automatically 4 of you getting it, then everybody gets it. They are the zeros of the graph. So basically, they have given you the equation. The height should be 0 because the dolphin started jumping from here, comes back again. So substitute 0, find out the t value. You see, if you put that is equal to 0, automatically minus 16 t square will be equal to 25t. Make sense? Or minus 16 t square plus 25t will be equal to 0. Take t as common. When you take t as common, minus 16t plus 25 equal to 0. T is equal to 0. You got it already. One of the t is 0 because that's the
You
starting
forgot
point.
the squared for 16t.
Uh,
Oh wait,
t,
never mind. Never mind. You took the team.
yeah. No, I welcome you picking out so that if we make a mistake, we'll know. So this one should also be minus 16t plus 25 equal to 0. 25 equal to 16t. T will be equal to 25 by 16, which is some... What is the answer? Something feels wrong, guys. 16t plus 25t. Oh, okay. The book has made a mistake. Don't worry about it. Okay, I think we are good. So 25 by 6. See, there's a lot of typos in the book. Okay, they gave the problem as this and took the problem as 20t. So we should be right on this. I'll check 1 minute, guys. What is the answer for this one? 25 by 16. Can somebody do it and tell me what is 25 by 16?
1.5625.
1 point?
1.56. Well, 1.6 rounded.
1.6. Okay, I think we are right. They have taken it as 20x, which is wrong. Okay, so this is 1.5. So this x value is 1.5. Y value is 0, guys. You see, this is as well 0, 0, 1.5, 0, 1.6, 0. So what is the time duration for which the dolphin was out of the water? 1.6 seconds. Pranav, are you getting it, Pranav?
I'm just
Rishit,
drawing the graph on my.
Rishit, are you grasping this?
Yeah.
How about Vibha? Anya?
Yeah.
Ma? Okay, Harshita, are you getting it, ma?
Yeah.
You're putting immediately as soon as you see a word problem, it's good to draw. Okay. As soon as you draw, graph it. Meaning, think in mathematical terms, put it in coordinate planes. Got it? Okay. Can I give one problem to you guys? Shall we try whether you're able to graph? Navya, how are we, ma?
I think I
Now,
understand.
okay. See, this is the only way out. As soon as you see the problem, see how can you draw and make it into a coordinate plane. And then in that parabolic curve, hey, can I make up some points here, here, here? These are the 3 important points always. Vertex, wherever it touching the ground, zeros. Okay. So this should always be the time. Usually this is always the height. Let's try one more. Let me see. Let's talk about the quadratic function. Models a height in baseball after X seconds. Okay. Okay. So a baseball coach is throwing a ball Meaning, it's just during a practice, he's throwing a ball that follows a parabolic path. The quadratic function is given by this. Okay, this is the height, which is in feet, t in seconds. Okay, when he throws the ball, okay, he's just making some practice there. Okay, when he throws the ball is at a height of 5 feet. Okay, um okay, I'll change it, guys. When he throws the ball, when the ball is caught, meaning the coach throws the ball. This is the equation for height of the ball.
You're not sharing screen.
What is it, ma?
You're not sharing screen.
Oh, wow.
I can see your screen.
Yeah. Okay. Anya, do you want to check, Anya? Ma, is there anybody who's not able to see, ma? Vibha, you're able to see the screen or not, Amma?
Like, I can't see the whiteboard.
Bhakti, are you able to see the whiteboard?
Yeah.
I can.
Can I, can't I? I'm not able to get it.
Like,
Rishit,
I can see all of us, but the whiteboard is invisible.
ma, then you log off and wait, Amma. Harshita, you're able to see the whiteboard with the problem on the board?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, then Anya, you have to log off and log in.
Okay.
Coach throws the ball. This is the equation of the ball. Okay, the height of the ball, t in seconds, is given by this. Okay, when the ball is caught, ball is at 5 feet. Next week we'll do factoring, guys. Ball is at 5 feet. Okay, now how long is the baseball in the air? How long the ball was in the air? Should I do it or do you want to try, guys?
To try.
Okay. Okay. Let me also add another point here, guys. It's a little unclear, I feel. The coach throws the ball from 0, 0. The coach throws the ball from 0, 0. See, it is very unclear. The way I said it was unclear, I feel. The coach throws the ball from 0, 0. You have to draw by yourself, though. So this is the starting point. I will give you the diagram as well, if you want to. Others try to draw. Now we are wanting what? What is this point? Who can tell me what is this point when it was caught?
5, comma
X,
5.
comma
Five.
5.
X,
Mark
comma
5. Good job. So it's easy, very easy. X comma y, you know one value, you have to find the other value. That's it. So what do you do? What do you do? Substitute what where?
Substitute the y with 5.
Correct, guys. That's it. Once you understand the points in the parabola, you have x, you find out y. You have y, you find out x. That's it. If you get this, you can log off. Let's see. It's not a hard one at all, this one. Anya, you're able to see now, ma?
Yeah.
Miss Priya, you
Miss
just
Priya, it
erased
just like
everything.
erased everything.
No. It was my okay. I wanted to see the answer. That's fine. You guys do.
Miss Priya, I'm a bit confused.
Where are you confused?
I am
I'm here
too.
to.
Like when I substituted the y, it just canceled out
What will cancel? Not
because
yeah.
I
Keep going.
subtracted the.
Keep going. Yeah. You are just afraid to do. If you substitute the 5, what happens?
It cancels out.
It cancels with what?
5 minus 5 is 0.
Perfect. But the rest of it is there, right?
Yeah.
Do it with the rest of it. So basically, 5 will be equal to minus 16 t square. I want everybody to do it, guys. Plus 5. So subtract 5, subtract 5. Please keep doing 0. You are there. Can you finish that? Can you finish that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Do you get a clue, Srinita, now?
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah. See, at the end of it, if I give you everything, right, then you will not be able to think after the class. But please do the homework soon after the class. This is going to get off your brain. I'm waiting for
Do
answers.
we just solve for t?
Yeah, that's it. That's it, right? Because
Can you
that's the
check my
example.
answer?
Yeah, I'm checking, ma. Yes, you all got it. Harshita and Yojit got it. Harshita, Vinisha got it. Harshita, I'm really happy, Harshita. Okay. Yeah, because see, last semester I was like, are you able to understand? Let's get off the class, I felt. Very nice. You're doing the homework every week, ma?
Yeah.
Yojit, Harshita, Vinisha, you can log off. We'll do factoring next.
Bye, Miss
Priya.
Priya.
Bye, ma. Bye. Good job, Yojit.
Thank you.
Good job, Vinisha. Vinisha, good job. I'm waiting, guys. Adira, good job.
Thank you.
Nabiha, are you getting it, ma?
Yeah, give me a sec. I'm still solving it.
Pranav, very nice, Pranav. Very good work.
Thank you. Bye, Miss
Bye.
Priya.
Anya, that is not correct, ma. Minus 16 t square will be equal to 80 t, right? So just take t as common. Rishit, did you get it? Okay,
Yeah.
I'll do it. Guys.
I
I'll
see
do
my
it.
mistake. Can I just try by myself one more time?
Yeah. Please. Finish, guys. Minus 16t plus 80. Yes, Navya, you can log off, ma. Plus 80 will be equal to 0. Yes, Mahir. Good job, Mahir. T will be equal to 0 or T will be equal to 80 by 16. Yep. Anya, good job, Anya. Rishit, are you following, Rishit?
Yeah. I just have my answer.
Oh, yes, I saw Rishit. Thank you. Very nice, Rishit. Good work. Nabiha, Srinita, did you get it, guys? Anya, good job, ma. You can log off.
Yeah, I
Can I
just
log
sent
off?
my answer.
Nabiha, t equal to 0. The another value of t?
Can I
Oh,
log off?
shoot. Sorry.
Yeah, please.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma.
Is my
Vibha
answer
correct.
correct?
Yes, ma. Vibha correct. Nabiha, there's another value of t, ma. Yes, good job. Nabiha, did you get it? Nabiha, did you understand?
Yeah, I got it. I got a little confused at the t parentheses negative 16.
Okay. I got
Yeah.
it. No problem.
But thank you.
No problem. Srinita and Bhakti, did you get it?
I sent my answer. Is it right?
Bye, Miss
Oh, yeah.
Priya.
Yours was right. Bye.
Oh. Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma. Bhakti, you?
I don't get it.
Huh?
I don't get it.
You don't get it. Okay. Can I work with you later, ma?
Yeah.
Sometime? Just ping me. We will work, okay? Maybe
Okay. Yeah.
maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow.
I have a
I'll ping you.
yeah.
I have the phone number. I'll work with you.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, I'm
Thank
in a
you.
hurry. Bye.